The Lumina Power Inc. 11001309 REV 7, also known as the LPS 1200 1.6 600, is a high-voltage power supply used in the semiconductor industry. This power supply came to ERD dead, and after a complete rebuild, we were able to bring it back to life. As shown in the video, we tested the power supply under load at 600 volts of direct current for about an hour prior to shipping it back to our customer. At ERD, we have rebuilt and repaired many Lumina power supplies, most of which are used in equipment for hair removal and dermabrasion. Lumina is a contract power supply manufacturer, so the equipment they create can be found in a variety of applications. ERD is the #1 provider for any type and size of power supply repair, and we also add our industry-leading 3-year warranty to all our rebuilds and repairs.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.